One of the things that we've noticed as attorneys here at Resnick Law is when an individual or a business has financial problems, they tend to want to avoid it. It's just simple psychology. It's something they don't want to confront. But the worst thing you can actually do in that situation is act like an ostrich. Putting your head in the sand and trying to avoid the problem is only going to make it worse. So it's critical that even though psychologically you may not want to think about it, in fact, I can recall a story where I had a client come in once who was having severe financial problems. And I asked the client in a meeting, well, who do you owe money to and how much? And how did that happen? And what they did is they literally brought a box of unopened envelopes, probably about 100, passed it over the table to me and said, here's who I owe money to. And when that happened, I realized that this is someone who just could not confront the problem. They didn't even want to open their mail. They didn't want to answer phone calls from collection agencies. And that's something we understand here. We understand that psychology. We understand how difficult it is and the stress and strain on people who are going through something like that. So we work with them. Now, that particular individual, I said, look, you don't want me opening those envelopes because I'm at a pretty high hourly rate and it's not legal work. But I do have an assistant here and I won't even charge you if you want me to open those envelopes for you if it's that difficult for you to confront this issue. And we will organize the information for you. We will synthesize it, we will analyze it, and we will organize it so we can deal with these problems that you have. So yes, there is definitely a mentality that people go through, and it's mainly an avoidance mechanism. But we understand that, and we work with people to try to solve that problem. At Resnick Law, we work for you. It's the client who hires a law firm, not the other way around.